Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pius Jagina. So in the last video, we talked about the different workspaces of Premiere Pro. So in this video, I'm going to take you through how to organize your footage and how you can be able to import your footage into Premiere Pro. But also, I'm going to take you through the different section of the editing workspace. Let's roll the intro and dive straight into this video. So last time we concluded the video by talking about the different sections, all the different workspaces of Premiere Pro. And one of the sections that I did go into depth was the library section. So in the library section is where you will be able to access all the different music, all even the stock images and stock videos from the Creative Cloud site. So Premiere Pro has a certain site where they put all these stock images and stock videos. So for you to be able to access all that, you go into the library section and you'll have access to those images, those videos, and that music, or even those sound. If to get into today's topic, you need to first organize your clips. Remember, organizing your clips is very essential in video editing. So I advise you to first organize your videos into different folders. That is always what I do when I'm going to edit my videos. I make sure that if I've used a couple of cameras, I separate them and I label the folders depending on the camera I've used. Sometimes I decide to organize them in a way where I just name the folders camera 1, camera 2, and camera 3. Once you're done with organizing all these folders, the next thing we are going to do is to open Premiere Pro. Now that Premiere Pro is open, I ask you to go into the editing workspace. Now that you're in the editing workspace, you need to go on the bin all the projects section. In the project section, that is where we are going to be able to import our videos from. Importing is the process of you getting your folders from your computer or drive into the software that we are going to use to edit, and in this case is Premiere Pro. So what we are going to do, go into the bin section, all the project section, and right click. When you right click, Premiere Pro will give you this menu. Move down until you see the word import. Click on the word import, and then once you click on import, Premiere Pro will automatically take you to different storages of your computer. Now look for the place where you have organized all where your folders are, and then click on that particular folder that contains all these different folders that we created. After creating that, click import. Now after you clicking import, you need to give Premiere Pro a moment so that it can be able to import all those files into this software. Now as Premiere Pro is importing these videos, it takes some time because it has to read these files if they are compatible with this particular software. There are some codecs that are not compatible with Premiere Pro, but in this case, let us wait so that Premiere Pro can be able to import these files. Now, once the files are imported, the first thing I usually do is to color code these different folders. What is color coding? Color coding is labeling these folders, all these clips, into different colors. Why this is important? The reason as why color coding is important, it enables you easily differentiate between one camera from another, or even it enables you locate these clips easily in case you're looking for a specific clip, or even in case you're looking for more footage from that specific section. After color coding these particular videos, I really advise you to double click on any clip. Once you have double clicked that clip, it will go into what we call the source panel. Now in the source panel, this is where you're able to preview all your content before it goes to the timeline. We have different sections in the editing workspace. The first one is source. In the source section, that is where you will be able to preview all your videos before they go onto your timeline. Then after that one, we have the bin section, or what we call the file section. This is where you will be able to import or even review all your clips that you have imported from your drives or from your computer. Then another section in this editing workspace is called the program. Now in the program, this is where we preview all the content as it is laid on the timeline. Then we have the timeline section. What is the timeline section? The timeline section, that is where we lay a montage from, or that is where we organize clips from before they become into a solid video. And the reason as why it is called a timeline, it is because it is a line labeled with time, meaning that this is where you can be able to see how long your video is going to be as you're editing. In the next video, I'll be taking you through the next steps you will need to take to make sure that you add the text, and also how you can be able to import, or even how you can be able to also add effects. My name is Pius Diagenda. Thank you for watching this video. I advise you to subscribe to my channel if you have loved this video. And don't forget to click that like button because that supports the channel. And in case you have any question, please comment them in the comment section below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.